Hope everything is going according to the plan. Any phase you are right now, just take it like a step. You know, it's not the beginning. It's not the beginning. That's part of the ending. So you still have more way to go. Don't give up yet. Okay. I know it's hard. It's so hard. It's frustrating, but it will all make sense to all of us. So there was a video requested by one of my followers also on TikTok. He said I should do video about all those entry for entry module. I say entry module using a fair value gap, scope, flip, breaker block, and sort of that. So sometimes it's confusing which one when you have those kind of thing lies in your order flow area where the position you want to sell from. You see fair value gap, you see breaker block, you see flip, you see scope. Which one can you use so that you can be safe and you can have a very good risk reward ratio, sort of that. You don't want to enter market too early so that too much drawdown, or you don't want to be missed out as well. That two area contradict. So you have to have one system. System is the only thing that can help you to judge, to decide. So it's not based on what you see there. You not become the system. So let us see, maybe this will help you in that scenario. We're going to do two example of liquidity sweep or order flow to buy for or to sell from. So the one I'm seeing on my screen now is 15 minutes, 15-minute chart. Of course, you can see. So we're talking about I want to find a place to sell from now or to buy from here. But we see this selling. Where did it sell from? You can see that there's a liquidity taking above before selling down. So a lot of movement happens here. If you understand any high that already took liquidity before, it have every chance to sell market down if the trend is still in that is direction. But not all of things like this work. Sometimes you just do this break here and market will break it above. I didn't say this one is perfect or that is how it's supposed to be. You cannot win every time. But I'm saying, let's say you want to use this area to look for short because of this sweep and this breakdown. This is 15 minutes. First of all, you have this area now. You have two things to think about. There's no fair value gap though. So you have this area. Maybe okay, you want to sell from here because it's the only thing you can see. But anytime you want to use that kind of stuff on 15 minutes, do you see this bus right here, down bus? I mark it to 150 down, zero. So all you have to do is mark it from that hub to where you see the change of character. This is where the change of character happen. So please don't judge me yet. Watch and see before you judge. So the high and the low where the market actually change character. So anything above 50 above 50 area above, that is where you want to find your entry. So anything that lies in that area, if it is fair value gap, if it's breaker block, if it's flip, if it's curve, you got to use it. So in this area now, we can see that this other block is the thing that rested there. So if market be in that 50% above, then definitely if this space is active for the sell, then this is the zone you can use to sell down. So definitely you can use this kind of stuff. Anything in that 50% area, if it's fair value gap, if it's breaker block, if it's flip, then you can use them and put your stop loss above everywhere right there. And eventually, you don't know if it's going to work. Maybe you trade, I don't know. So sell down, and you can target any area based on your risk reward ratio, your appetite to hold market. But we can see that this low has nothing really to hold it back if market really want to short. So targeting that area won't be a bad place. So that is, you can set straight from here by using this gun, mark it from that up to where the change of character happened, and find your entry between that 50% area. Anything that lies in between here, either fair value gap or scalp or flip or breaker block, then you can use it. That is the system. So anytime you have this kind of area, it will not you that will be judging. Should I use area? Should I use this? No, you will know that anything above that 50% area is the key. It's the only thing you want to use. You don't want to hear anything pimps. You don't want to hear. So that is the system I'm talking about. Once you have that system, you have not to be afraid of. If market leave it behind, it's part of trading. What if it goes to your entry and take you out? What will you do then? So it's part of trading. You just have to accept it. But now, this is how you can enter on 15 minutes if you have good appetite for this. But let us say you want to use 1 minute again to for good risk reward ratio. If 1 minute of a place that you already have PO high like this, you already have other block to sell from. So you want to mark this other block, and anytime market drop into it, you want to drop to 1 minute. That is what you want to do. So down to 1 minute. So this 1 minute, I will show it in a two-way to make it easy. So let us say you don't you don't like to be in market drama. Once you see a place to sell from, and that is where you want to short, just make sure that you want to resize your area very well. So you have a other block from 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes, and this is it. So maybe you don't want to be in market drama in the next one that will going to happen soon now. You just want to resize that area. There's a way you can resize a place from 15 minutes if you just want to put your pending limit. So you just have to come to the zone where you mark on that 15 minutes and drop to 1 minute in that area and see what really went down there too. So we can see that also market been going up and change of character up and down. So let us see where the change of character happens in that area. Change of character happens here. You see that candle regular before they continue another one and change character here. Or eventually, don't let us cheat. I just see there's another pullback here. This one take it above. So change of character has happened here. Even our market has went back for the short before they had this drastic move. So what you can use here to resize this thing is this. This is where you will mark under 15 minutes, right? And we can see that this change of character has been mitigated already, but this another movement here, do here, another change of character happens here too because this can do so. To resize this account, to resize, you can see that okay, there's another change of character in here. Sometimes it doesn't happen this way. Just make sure to understand where liquidity is taken and where change of character happens. So change of character happening between there again. This one was mitigate this, and there's another change of character down here. And market has not used the fair value gap, it has not mitigated it. So definitely you can resize. Do you know that you already have that area of 15 minutes, that very big area? So you want to buy from any fair value gap before market. So from this fair value gap, but you make sure that all your stop loss should be above here. So that's the kind of resize. You have to understand what really went down on that 1 minute for you to resize that big size on 15 minutes to drop down from like 30 pips to 20 pips or 15 pips. It happens. So if you have that kind of area, then you can possibly just put your pending limit and enter market drop there if the setup is perfect. Nothing is perfect though. If market really want to respect your what is going on there, then this will be the selling place. But let's say you are the person who like to see the drama, so you want to see how everything went down again. So let us go back to where we mark it's like this area on 15 minutes. That's where we mark on 15 minutes. So when market drop in there, we have done two things now. Either you enter on 15 minutes itself by using that gamble 50% area and find any area in that 50% area, or you still can come back to 1 minute and resize it, see what went down on 1 minute, resize it for good risk reward ratio, or you have appetite to see how market will react here also. So let us see how market react. We want to see change of character. That is what we want to see. Nothing else. So we can see that this is a good movement into that area. Where did this start from? Oh my, actually start from this low. So before you can have change of character for you to looking for short, market need to break this low. And that is almost the whole trading leg. But a lot of things can happen in that area too. Let us see. So we can have another pullback. So let us see maybe have another pullback. That means another candle must value this high, this big one. So this candle came down. So when that candle came down, make another pull it down. That is where we can have another system looking for another leg. Another leg can form there. That means the one that break it, if anyone break it above, then pullback is already happened. Just like this. So all the candle that happens here is a single leg. So that is why we cannot consider them change of here anything at all from here happen. So it means like this. There's another break. The last candle now is this one. Then this one break it above. Then continue. Another liquidity sweep. Then change of character. So this is kind of area you can now say, okay, I can look for short opportunity. Then we now so let us see before market check character here. I don't know why this looks so slow. So before market change character there, the change character around here. So let us see before the change character, what are the things we see in that area? We see this breakout block, we see this flip, we see the fair value gap, we see this curve. So everything is complete here. This is curve, this is flip, fair value gap, breakout block. So which one do you want to use in this area? If you use this breakout block, you see market got here, just snipe inside and start selling. Or if you use the fair value gap like this, why not? Why not? Or you see market just tap into there and feel like selling. Or you use this breaker block, why not? Or you use this flip. So I will tell you the difference in the emotion those things carries. Or you can use this call. So let me now tell you the emotion every all these thing carries. So let us say you use this breaker block for your entry and market start doing all the kind of stuff. Your mind will tell you, it's like this trade is not perfect. Something will be coming like, should I get out or should I extend my stop loss? Should I everything will be coming to your head? Okay. Let us say you use this fair value gap and market stop there. So you that use this fair value gap, market tap there and start selling, but you are waiting for this flip, market did not get there. And that thing will be getting to your mind like, oh, market is about to miss me, it's about to leave me behind. So I have to do something so that I will not miss this trade. You'll be jumping in, jumping in. But that jumping in, you see market run down again, it will give you another emotion like, wow, is it really going to happen? So That is why you need to avoid all those thinking and just follow the that simple thing. Your high and that where the change of character happen. Then anything above this 50% area. So you have this flip and you have this cup. So definitely you don't have anything to lose too much here. So you can just use this flip and put your stop loss above here. It is not more this high like the one we do when you resize. That is what you resize. You resize because you don't want to be in this drama. But now you are in this drama and you understand it like this, then you can look for your short. And sometimes you can be like twice before you get it right. Market take you out again, change character again, then you still go for it. Then you have all the sell. So let us go to 15 minutes. That is example of if you have a place to sell from, like other block or any area to sell from 15 minutes like this. That is why we have this scenario. Either you go to 1 minute and you resize this area on 1 minute using the same system that you used to get it, the 50% area above. You do the same thing on that 15 or 1 minute to resize. But maybe you don't want to resize, you want to be in this drama. So when market got here, then you understand how that market understand liquidity taking, change of characters, blah blah blah. Then you can be in this trade. So that is example if you have a place to sell from. But let us say you don't have a place to sell from. Maybe your strategy is just daily low to be taken, the previous day low or high to be taken. So let us see this kind of example. So this kind of example, you don't have a POI order block to buy from 15 minutes like this. You just want to see previous day low sweep like this, and you want to drop down into this scenario. If I wait for 15 minutes, sometimes market might be. So if this is a strategy, I didn't say you should be trading this way. All I'm saying, let's say you are looking for trade maybe after a previous day or previous high sweep like this, then go to 1 minute, find your possible entry there. So this the difference between this and the other one is that other one you have a place, the highest place, the in the 15 minutes where you want to sell from. But this scenario, you don't have any area, you just say that previous low was taken and you want to say if market will change character toward and go back inside the previous day, the recent day. So it used to happen a lot of time, not all the time. Not all the change of character in the market that sweep works, but most of it works. So anytime you want to use it and doesn't work, it doesn't mean the next one will not work. But the only problem maybe is you already over risked everything in this one and you lost the whole lost the whole account. So you will not believe in that system anymore. So previous day was sweep like this. Then so this is the lowest low we see. We don't know, maybe it mitigates somewhere, some other, maybe some older other block, some that was rested very long time ago. But we don't have the source. We only see that the low was sweep, so we want to see change of character stuff. So this is a high. We can see that all this play was just a. So actually, this is a change of character happened there. So it's the same system. So when you have this change of character, where do you want to buy from this leg? Should you use this fair value gap? Should you use this fair value gap? Should you use this breaker block or something? Should you use this scope, the last candle below, which is right this one? Should you use it? So if you get into market here, go first a little, you'll be happy. When it start coming down, you feel like no, it's like another thing that's happened here to sell market down, giving you that kind of false information. It might not be false, it might be real, but it doesn't have to be your problem if you do everything right, which is what? Which is the system. So maybe you use this one and maybe or you want to use this one and market do this and start going. You will feel like, oh, market is leaving you behind again. It happens all the time, most of the time. So you believe the market is leaving you behind, you're trying to stack in here to jump into a moving vehicle, and now see market start coming down again, then you will start fearing that what this market finally take this low, this is too much for me to handle. Then you will try to alight from moving vehicle. Jumping into moving vehicle is very, very dangerous, but it's still fair if you have something to hold. But alight from moving vehicle, a moving vehicle, then you jump down, alight. So that one is the most dangerous part because jump death is like 70%. 90% is damages. So now let us say when market you got market into early here, no market got here, start buying, you want to jump in here and start coming down again. You be fear that this if this market later take this low finally, it is too much for you. You now get out, market will now come to the normal place and start go buying. So it's a total damage to you. You lost and you actually get the direction right. So that two emotion, you will break it down if you are not strong. So but what of the system? So anytime any area the market change character to the low, I want to buy from the 50% below, I want to sell from 50% below. So between this 50% below, what are things that you can consider there? You can see that the only thing maybe this little fair value gap or the old scope. So that is how the system comes in. So in this scenario, you have nothing to fear. No fear, no emotion. It's just the simple fact if the system, if the market really want to go as you predict based on what the way you trade, then you can be in this buy yesterday. Despite if you didn't get the sell, you can get all this buy. So do you see now say this? The entry is a very difficult place, but with this little system, if you try to implement it, if you want to sell from 15 minutes, make sure that you use that thing 50% above, 50% below. Anything you find in that area, if it's cup, fair value gap, use it. Make sure your stop loss is below. If it's liquidity sweep like this one, go to lower time frame, then you see that change of character, of course. You want to see this kind of change of character, not shaggy, not this kind of movement before. If you see this kind of movement before, definitely market need to take more liquidity before you consider the buy. But you see this aggressive market shifting, so it's very, very confusing. Definitely you can buy. You understand me? And using the same system, anything below that 50. So if market got here, reverse, start going, just know that if market go and leave it behind, you will find another one. So that one will give you very, very peace of mind. Peace of mind. And if you risk according to your plan here, then you will have super rich of mind, super rest of mind, because it's a trading system. And for you, maybe you have a 100K account. Before you can blow this account with the system, with your risk management, with everything, you can trade like 20 or 25 trade in that account before you blow. And you are just like 10 trade, 12 trade. Why are you afraid? Why are you panicking? So just make sure you understand where you want to buy from or what do you want to see before you buy or before you sell. Simple as that. So that means you have to understand liquidity. Any area you want to use must take liquidity before, or liquidity was just taken in that area immediately. That is the simple. If you want to buy from a place or sell from a place, make sure that area took liquidity in that area and there's a market structure chip change of character from one side to the other after liquidity is taken, and you see that move, a very aggressive move. The market has not come back to use it. That place is a good place. So the only way, if you keep using that area, if you're doing it every time, sometimes market will get to that place you want to sell from and take it out. Do you know why? It doesn't say that that system is bad or that system is not working again. It just tell you that the trend has changed. Let us say you are using 15 minutes. So you are marking 10 minutes. So you want to sell market here on 15 minutes based on your system that you your Fibonacci, everything. Yeah, your gamble 50% area, your liquidity sweep before spike down. That is the confluence that you want to use to sell market down. You took some liquidity before spike down. It has not been used before. So fine. That's why you want to sell. Hmm? But it doesn't mean the market must respect you or it has to. Market can eventually give you a little sign, feed this fair value gap, and take you out. It doesn't mean that that system is not working. It means that the trend has changed from bearish that you're looking to. It means that the trend has changed from bearish to the bullish. So all you have to do is just find another significant area that took liquidity below here, and you'll be looking for buy opportunity. It's just simple as that. Just simple as that. So once you know that, once you want to sell from area, market violate it, break it above, then you should know, maybe it's not, maybe definitely the trend has changed. It's not that the system is not working or that area that you mark is not working anymore. That system is not working. No, definitely, let's say market has changed the change from where they're coming from. Maybe that one you have already missed that area. Maybe it's the place you're supposed to focus on. Why you focus on this area? That is the reason, which is not a bad thing. Just make sure you strategize, come back to the chart and see, okay, market has changed now. Let me find a good area I can look for the buy here. Or liquidity sweep again. So maybe market take this liquidity and that kind of thing happen. You want to buy, market take it down. Definitely maybe there's another liquidity area below it that market still need to hunt. Like after take this one, maybe there's another one here. So sometimes it will take you here, you're trying to buy, then you will sort again, the later buy. So that means another liquid area still rested that is very near the market want to chase. So it doesn't mean that this system doesn't work anymore. Do you get it? So it's a simple understanding that your trading system, once you know that it's not going to work all the time, and anytime it's good against you, you have to accept it. Not say that the system is not working anymore and you start looking for, go and find another source of, I don't know. So that is my advice for you guys today. And that is a video about the entry. Watch and again, watch and again, watch and again. So anytime you now understand market movement, you know where you want to buy from, you want to sell from. So entry should not be your problem anymore. If you try this system, you understand me? I didn't say this is the perfect way to trade it. No, definitely not. There's no perfect way at all. But if you are finding difficult to decide all those places to use, then this system might be the solution to you. So, one love, guys. Until the next time, make sure you subscribe, comment anything you want to say. You are all free. And share. That is the part of love. And, let's promote together, Sha. We see more thing coming very soon. Thank you, guys. Until the next time, Top Forest say I. Enjoy the rest of the day.